Namaste and welcome back to Variety is the Spice of Life. Today, we're traveling straight to the heart of Kerala's culinary heritage to discover one of its most beloved traditional dishes, authentic Aviyal. This humble yet extraordinary preparation combines a variety of vegetables, fresh coconut, aromatic curry leaves, and coconut oil to create a dish that has been cherished for generations and remains a star attraction in every traditional Kerala Sadya. In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating legend behind Aviyal, learn the secrets of choosing the right vegetables, master the authentic cooking technique, and discover how to achieve that unmistakable Kerala flavor. For a detailed written guide, ingredient measurements, and additional tips, do visit our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. Now let's begin our delicious journey into the world of authentic Aviyal. Before we step into the kitchen, let's explore the fascinating story behind Aviyal. According to popular folklore, Aviyal was created by none other than Bhima, the mighty Pandava from the Mahabharata. During the Pandavas' exile, Bhima worked as a cook in King Varata's palace. One day, an unexpected number of guests arrived, and the kitchen lacked enough vegetables to prepare separate dishes. Thinking quickly, Bhima gathered all the available vegetables, cut them into long pieces, cooked them together, and mixed them with freshly grated coconut. What emerged was a delicious, nourishing dish that became known as avial, a name that roughly means cooked together or steamed mixture. Sometimes, the most iconic recipes are born from simple resourcefulness. The soul of authentic avial lies in selecting the right vegetables. Traditional Kerala avial uses vegetables that remain firm after cooking and retain their individual character. The classic combination includes elephant foot yam, raw banana, drumsticks, ash gourd, ivy gourd, carrots, and French beans. Each vegetable contributes something unique: earthiness, sweetness, texture, or aroma. Equally important is knowing what not to use. Vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, okra, and brinjal release too much moisture or become soft and mushy, which can compromise the dish's distinctive texture. Remember, avial is meant to celebrate each vegetable, not hide it. One detail that often separates a good avial from an exceptional one is the way the vegetables are cut. Every vegetable should be sliced into long, thick batons, roughly 2 to 3 inches long and about a quarter inch thick. This uniform shape isn't merely about appearance, it ensures even cooking and helps every vegetable maintain its identity throughout the preparation. When served on a banana leaf, authentic avial should display beautiful, distinct vegetable pieces rather than a mixed vegetable mash. In Kerala kitchens, this careful cutting technique is considered an essential part of the dish's tradition and elegance. Unlike many South Indian curries, avial doesn't rely on elaborate spice blends. Instead, its flavor comes from a simple but magical combination of fresh grated coconut, green chilies, and cumin seeds. The key is how these ingredients are ground. Rather than creating a smooth paste, they are crushed only briefly to form a coarse mixture. This rough texture allows the natural oils from the coconut and cumin to shine through while preserving their character. And here's a crucial tip: never add water while grinding. The coconut mixture should remain dry, fragrant, and slightly chunky. This is one of the defining signatures of authentic Kerala style avial. Now comes the cooking process. Begin by placing the hardest vegetables, yam and raw banana, at the bottom of a heavy pan or traditional clay pot. Add a little water, turmeric, and salt. Then allow them to steam gently. After a few minutes, add the remaining vegetables, including drumsticks, carrots, beans, and ash gourd. If you're using raw mango for sourness, add it at this stage as well. The goal is not boiling but steaming. The vegetables should become tender while still holding their shape and texture. This careful layering ensures that every ingredient cooks perfectly without turning soft or watery. Patience here rewards you with authentic results. Once the vegetables are nearly cooked, it's time to introduce the coconut mixture. Create a small space in the center of the vegetables and place the coarse coconut blend there. Cover it gently with the surrounding vegetables and allow it to steam for a few minutes. This brief steaming removes the raw edge from the cumin and green chilies while preserving their freshness. Afterward, gently fold everything together using broad strokes. Avoid vigorous stirring. The vegetables should remain intact and distinct. The beauty of avial lies in its texture, where every piece remains visible and recognizable. A hallmark of avial is its subtle tanginess. Traditionally, this is achieved using either raw mango or slightly sour curd. If you've already added raw mango during cooking, your sourness is naturally built into the dish. If using curd, lower the heat completely before adding it. Mix the whisk curd gently into the vegetables and allow it to warm through for about a minute. One important rule: Never let the avial boil after adding curd. Boiling can cause the curd to split and affect the silky texture of the dish. Gentle heat is the secret to perfection. Now we arrive at the moment that transforms avial from a vegetable dish into a Kerala masterpiece. Once the heat is turned off, scatter fresh curry leaves generously over the top. Then drizzle pure coconut oil across the surface. This isn't merely a garnish, it's the defining aroma of authentic avial. Immediately cover the pot and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. During this resting period, the warm vegetables absorb the fragrance of the curry leaves and coconut oil. The result is a dish that's thick, aromatic, flavorful, and unmistakably Kerala in every bite. And there you have it, the timeless art of preparing authentic Kerala Aviyal. With its wholesome vegetables, fresh coconut, delicate sourness, and signature coconut oil aroma, Aviyal proves that simple ingredients can create truly extraordinary flavors. Whether you're preparing a festive sadhya, serving it alongside Kerala Mata rice, or enjoying it with adai or rasam rice, this dish brings the comforting essence of Kerala straight to your dining table. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Variety is the Spice of Life. On this channel, we explore delicious recipes, fitness insights, astrology wisdom, inspiring stories, and soulful music that celebrate life's wonderful diversity. For the complete recipe, measurements, and additional cooking tips, visit our blog through the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, variety truly is the spice of life.